Hello students, we are back again. We are there on third unit, that is database management system, and now we are there on eighth session, that is report wizard. We will now discuss about the report which can be created using OpenOffice base. So the very first thing is that what basically is a report. See, a database contains tables. It contains a number of records in tables, and it contains queries also, which contains informations which are stored in tables. But when it comes to present the data which is stored in the database, we cannot present the data either from queries or tables, because it may contain a number of informations which you do not want to show to somebody or to present to somebody, and that too it is a tabular structure. If you take table and query both, means in table also information is in the form of tables, and in table also the informations are in tabular structure. So the best option to present the information from the database is a report. It is the formatted result of the data which is stored in the database in a number of tables. We can format the data which will have a number of fields from a number of queries and tables, and we can present it to others. The report will contain only the information which is required to be shown to others. So if you require to create a report, the very first thing is you need to click on report, and then we have option use wizard to create reports. So you have to click on it. Click on this option. Now a series of dialog boxes will appear as it says wizard. So when the term wizard comes up, then a number of dialog boxes will come which will ask a number of options. So the very first dialog box comes up. This is asking for the table or query on which the report will be created. So first we will select, suppose I'm taking as student record table. It contains 3 fields, so suppose I'll take all. If it has more fields, you can leave some fields and you can only create the report of few fields from a given table. Then you have to click on next. Now here you can see field is here and labels are there. If you want to alter the labels, you can alter. Say for example, I'm having these all in small letters, I can make it in capital. Roll number, then name, and then address. Then you have to click on next. As you click on next, the next dialog box comes up for grouping. So suppose we will group roll number wise. So click on roll number and send it to the grouping groups. So it will come in this group. So you can see roll number comes in grouping groups. So it will arrange according to roll numbers. And after that, we click on next. This dialog box comes for sorting. If you want to sort your data, so you can see already it is by default sorted by roll number, so you do not require to sort it by other fields. So I'll prefer to click on next from here. And now you can see the layout is here. So a number of layouts are there. You can see the changes at the back. Okay. So it depends on your choice. Say for example, I want this structure, and then here headers and footers. Say for example, like bubbles or cinema. Generic world map. Say for example, I want these bubbles. So then you have two more options. You want to present in landscape or in portrait. So portrait will be like this, landscape will be so now after doing this you have to click on next. As you click on next, you have to give the name you want. You can change. If you do not want, you cannot change. That depends entirely on your wish and requirement. So after that you have to click on finish. As you click on finish, a formatted report will be generated. You can see this is the formatted report which is generated, and you can share now this formatted report to anybody, or even you can take out print according to your requirement and desire. So this is all about report and the report wizard through which you can create a report easily. Only it requires the table or the query on which you want to create the report, and a number of dialog boxes through which you have to select a number of options, and finally this result will be displayed, which is the report. So this is all for report. Bye for now. Take care.